So for this you need to get hold of a circular mirror. We chose one on an extending arm because we have plans for the second part, but you'll need to stick around to the end of the video if you want to find out. So we removed all the extra bits and bobs like the hardware on our mirror, and then we took all of our toilet rolls that we've been collecting for some time and looking a little bit crazy in the process. Paint all of these and cut them up. Now once you've painted them, you can glue them on the mirror in whatever way you fancy, in whatever design you want. You could even do them different colours or stagger the toilet rolls. Now glue on your fixing to the back, making sure to remove the tape if your mirror is a little heavier and needs the support. We marked our fixing on the back and pushed this against the wall so we knew exactly where to hammer in our nail. Now just hang up the mirror and admire. Good job guys, good job. Okay, so we promised there would be an extra hack, and this might be the easiest hack that you've ever heard of. It's literally just screwing the bottom part of the mirror into the wall. The idea behind it is that you do it in a place that you might need extra storage but not permanently, for example in a laundry room or in a cupboard. You can extend the arm when you want to, and when you don't need it, you can just put it away. Thanks for watching this video. We have lots of other videos on YouTube if you wanted to check them out, and if you're not bored of us, we also have a blog, The Handy Mano. Thanks for watching and happy DIY!